Let's take a look at how to track and manage asset versions with Abstract Polyverse. Polyverse's asset libraries let you organize and share your digital assets with your team. Whenever you make a change to an asset's metadata or properties, a new version is created automatically. In addition to metadata tracking, a new asset version can be uploaded by going to the Assets Edit page, scrolling to the bottom, and clicking Upload New Version. Users with publishing permissions for the asset library will now see the asset flagged as having a new version pending. Clicking the blue rocket allows you to view the pending version of the asset. It can then be accepted by clicking the green rocket or rejected with the red X. Once published, all users with access to this library will see the latest version of the asset. Versions of an asset can be viewed from the Assets Edit page. Click the version dropdown to view previous asset versions. Clicking a version opens the Compare view, where you can view the current and previous versions side by side. An older version can then be activated by clicking its Activate button in the bottom corner. Polyverse's version tracking keeps everyone on the same page, saving hours of time searching for the latest iteration of an asset. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. For the latest news about Polyverse, please visit our website, follow us on X, join us on Discord, or sign up for the Abstract community. You can find all the links in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.